Dear Diary, today is February 28th. It has been a slow and unpredictable month. Between long delays and flight cancellations, I've had my share of burnout. It's part of the job, but I've learned to just go with it. Instead of stressing, I've used the extra time at the airport to catch up on my favorite shows and study. February is the kind of month that feels like a reset. A time to focus on the little things like home-cooked meals, having a wellness routine, and laying in bed doing nothing at all. The best part has been the extra time I get to spend with my boyfriend and our dog. Waking up next to them and seeing our dog with the biggest smile on his face while running around in the snow makes me feel so happy and grateful. If anything, what I've learned that having balance isn't about controlling everything. It's about learning to flow with whatever comes your way, and sometimes the best moments are the ones you didn't plan at all. Good morning, cutie pie. Are you getting sleepy again? What a good life. What a lucky dog you are. I don't really have the exact recipe. I just put in whatever ingredients I have in the cupboard. It's sort of like a mix match of whatever you have left over in your fridge. I always have these things in stock. This is the pho spices I use to make bone broth. This is just bay leaf and brown sugar. And this is the secret ingredient. This is the Colombian freeze-dried coffee. I think it's freeze-dried. I don't know what to say. Maybe not. And it just adds an unexpected flavor. So I don't use all of it. I just use one cinnamon stick. Pop that in there. Oh, hey Jen. Guess who's back? also gonna add one of these anise star as well. Boop. Smelling so good. That's his favorite. I found some leftover leeks in the fridge. I used the bottom half already for my leek French onion soup. And I'm just gonna add this into the pot and let that steep for about 15 minutes. This is not the typical balsam that Koreans make. This is like Tian's version. So I have some lettuce, jalapeno pepper, garlic, 2 kinds of kimchi, radish, and cabbage, and pickled radish, and some seaweed to go with it, rice, and of course our pork chops. The drink of choice today is Pellegrino Light. This actually tastes so good, and it only has 25 calories. Adding some pork, peppers, garlic, some kimchi here. Wrap it all up. Look who's here. favorite is the bubble milk tea. Actually smells like bubble milk. Try this. Oh, yum. Looks so real. Doesn't it look so real?
Din, look, calm.
Din?
Yeah, look. Oh, there you go. It kind of tastes bad.
So cute. Good morning, my baby angel. Are you giving me the side eye? Okay, I'll let you sleep.
Raptors are 5-7 final playing spot in the East, and tonight host first overall pick Victor Wembanyama and the San Antonio Spurs. Wemby averaging 20 and 10. You guys take a clapping right now. You gonna go play patty cake with them? There's gotta be a message sent. Second story windows. DIARIES.
found a pair of maple leaf socks. They are on sale for $5.97. And look what the price is. $8.99. Definitely a markup.
Shop